there, and welcome to the SPI Chamber Today Show. I'm Jeanette, President and CEO of the South Padre Island Chamber of Commerce. We are here today with Cirilo and Frida at the New Horizons Clinic here in Laguna Vista. Can you imagine a clinic right here in your backyard? We are excited to have you guys here. What we are here to talk about is what you can expect. If you need some kind of medical attention, you can come right here to Laguna Vista, right off of 510, right by Baby Boomers. You know where it is. So what can they expect when they come here to visit?
Certainly, we're a family medicine practice located here at 723 Santa Isabel Boulevard. Our suite is Suite G. We're here to service the community, be a good partner for the community. We offer laboratory services, family medicine, assisting with chronic conditions, or just a regular check-in, a regular checkup if you need your vaccinations. I know back to school season is coming up.
Yeah.
Vaccine records are always needing to be updated and so on for students. And that would be the best way to reach us would be our phone number is 956-548-7400, or going directly to our website at www.newhorizonhc.org and clicking on the book online button, and you can schedule an appointment online or by calling us at our phone.
So aside from getting updated on those shots that the children need when they go back to school, how about a physical exam for sports? They do that too?
Yes.
Okay.
We offered physicals for Medicare preventative patients, brand new patients, and because school is starting, we do have the physicals, and they're just $25.
Nice.
Yeah.
And so how about, is it all private pay? Is there insurance involved, or?
And we accept all insurances, and there's also self-pay.
So there is self-pay and there is insurance that they accept. So let's talk about the hours.
Okay. Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, we open from 8 to 5.
Okay.
Wednesdays, as today, we open from 10 to 6.
Okay, and then how many nurse practitioners do you have?
At this current clinic, we have Curtis Hansen, who's a physician assistant, Sally Miller, who's a physician assistant, Roxanne Guzman, who's a physician assistant, and Timothy Solfes Caramillo, who is a nurse practitioner.
So that's 4 nurse practitioners or medical people that can take care of you. So it sounds like you can get in and out of here with very little wait time and
They rotate every week.
Every week. So, fabulous. So, just so you know, New Horizon Family Clinic here, Laguna Vista, right off of 510 in the little shopping plaza. If you're from Laguna Vista, you know where it is. So, you need medical attention, this is the place to come. So thank you guys so much for having us, and thank you all for being here, and until next time, we'll see you on the beach.
Yeah.